Good morning, Philippines. Yan. Mag-travel din kayo pag may time, guys. Ayan si Mary Choi, oh. Travel pag may time. Ang aking mahal na wifey, oh. Good morning. Kapila po kami dito sa Air Asia. O lumanghap rin tayo ng malamig na simoy ng hangin sa kabilang ibayo. Travel tayo kung may time, guys.
Dear guests, we have landed at Hong Kong International Airport. Air Asia welcomes you to Hong Kong. We are pleased to inform you that we have landed 33 minutes ahead of our schedule. The local time now is 20 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated until a seatbelt sign is switched off.
Guys, ang ganda ng climate dito sa Hong Kong, guys. 13 degrees ang lamig dito ngayon. Ang ganda ng airport nila, guys, oh. Yan, ang linis. Ang luwag ng airport. Sino po? Guys, ayan si Mary Choi, oh. Ating ano kayo, yan. Guys, lamig dito sa Hong Kong. Pasyal tayo, guys, habang malakas pa yung tuhod natin. Mamasyal tayo. Pagka sumakit na yung mga tuhod natin, wala na, hanggang Cavite na lang tayo. Kaway-kaway naman dyan, ma. Oh. Yan, Hong Kong Airlines. So, lapit na kami sa immigration, guys. Ayan naman pala. Nag-apura. Ito sa loob ng airport, guys. Itong orchids nila live to, guys. Hindi po plastic yan. Fresh po yan. Ayan. Ganda ng airport nila, guys. Ayan lang muna po. Thanks for watching.